high schoolers, this is what your weekly agenda is going to look like. So this is the first page. You can see the tab on the bottom. It's your login, schedule, stuff like that. So it's got your login information here. These will be links to whatever programs you have. My information, the principal's information's here. Here's your schedule. You can see when breaks are. You only get those breaks if you are on pace. Okay, so you go down here, find your weeks. So it'll look something like this. All of your work's due by 3 p.m. Friday. You're going to have your ACE at math. Under your math, you have ELA. From what I've heard, these are not working right now. So you're lucky. You don't have to do the ACE at math and Reading Plus right now. But when you do, they'll be up here and you come and check these off. All this will say here is the percentage that you need to complete that week. I cannot get into your programs until the exact same day you do. So I can't, there'll be a calendar set up and I can't hide things. I can't get rid of things. So if you see something that says discussion, skip it. Do not skip anything else. You cannot go through and do the lessons and skip the quizzes and skip the tests. It needs to be done in order. That's how you get a grade. So you might do 8%, but you did 8% and did 0 work besides looking at the lessons. So you get a 0 for that week. Don't do that. You need to do the work that's in the program. So what you need to do this year is when it is time to do your percent, I would do like 2% a day, and you can take Fridays off. But you need to come in and type in whatever it is you did that day, so you can look and see what the name of the lesson is. So you can do polynomials, which is spelled wrong, and then say what percent. Was that 2%? Was it 6%? Whatever it is that you've done that day, you need to come in and type. If I don't see anything typed in here, I'm not going to take my time to go into your program to look what your grades are. You don't need to do anything about the grade column. I can put that in for you. You just need to put in what you did. When I check these, again, if there's nothing in here, I am not going to go into your program to check to see if you forgot to do it or not. I'm just going to put in 0% for that week and a 0. So make sure that you're keeping up with the stuff that you've done. You want to make sure that you're doing 8% if you want a full week for fall break and a full week for Thanksgiving break. Week 2, I'll put the percentage in, 16%. So your program needs to get you to that point. You'll see all of your classes here. Now you can change the name of these. You can put specific names in there. You scroll down. So it will put your grade in for the week. You don't need to do that. I will do that. It'll average it up for you. You'll get your attendance points. Remember, you have to have 72 attendance points in order to not get kicked out at the end of the 9 weeks. Same thing, you can change the name for social studies, whatever electives you have, you can put the names in there. If you have foreign language, you don't need to worry about that. They take care of that. So you can just do your foreign languages on the calendars that they give you, and they give you grades every 2 weeks. The TEL classes, same thing, you can put these in here, but you're not going to have to write down your percentage, or if you're doing concurrent enrollment. This is just for your like Play-Doh or Apex or whatever program you're doing. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. One of your assignments is, and yes, if you don't do this, this will be averaged in as a 0. If you do this, it's going to be averaged into your grade as a 100. So at the end of the day, by 3 o'clock, you need to text me. My number's on the first sheet if you don't have it already, and just tell me how today went. Were you able to get into your program? Were you not able to get into your program? What'd you think of it? Was it super hard? Was it okay? Was it terrible? Do I need to help you with something on it? And if you've never texted me before, make sure you say, hey, this is Jane Doe. Today was awesome. I was able to get into my program. It didn't take me that long. Peace out. This is 100 if you do this on the first day. Day one. It says day one. So by 3 p.m. on Tuesday, I need to have a text from you telling me how the day went. Now, the text shouldn't be at 8 a.m. because unless you got up at 6, you probably don't have anything done. So wait till you get into your programs and look around before you text me. Or if you do need help, my number's on the first page. Tell me your login's not working or whatever the issue is. All right, you have my number. If you need anything, let me know.